Hi, this is LJ Aguinaga with LJ Realties. We're going to be talking about Montreal real estate, and I want to cover one of the questions we recently received. It reads, how do you spot a good neighborhood, and what are the things you've noticed over the years? Okay, so that question is really a two-parted question. The first part is the property for you? Are you actually going to live in the property? If that's the case, we covered that a few videos ago. It should be close to your work or close to your family members, if you will, possibly close to some of the activities that you want to do, but we've already sort of talked about that. I want to focus on investment and what neighborhoods should you focus on if we're looking at future investments. So I like to think about where is the money going, where are we seeing the most growth, and that's obviously what's going to dictate the best appreciation for the properties. So, although obviously staying close to downtown has tons of benefits, if we're willing to go a little bit further from the core and see neighborhoods where there's a lot of appreciation happening right now, and that we can tell that in 2 to 5 years there's going to be the most gains because there have already been new installations for subways or for bus systems or even for bigger grocery stores and just local chains that are starting to set up shop there, that's obviously a great indication that they foresee great changes in the neighborhood, and therefore you should probably try and get on that train as well. Other things that I like to consider are obviously where you're getting the most bang for your buck. Even if it isn't the most desirable area, but you're really getting the most doors per dollar, if you will, or just the largest property possible for the same amount of money, it's always something to consider, especially if it's a longer horizon investment. You're not looking to make money tomorrow, but you're really looking to see that appreciation and get the large gain over a longer period of time. That would be my recommendation to you. So stop focusing on the core and necessarily where everybody else is looking at right now, and start considering neighborhoods that are a little bit further out. If we're really focusing on the investment, don't forget, you're not going to be living in this property. So it's really important to separate what you would consider living in and what somebody else might consider living in, because that's usually where we're seeing some of the best returns, all right? I look forward to answering more of your questions.